What HVAC repairs usually lower energy bills? Repairs that restore proper airflow, stop refrigerant or duct leaks, and improve thermostat and system performance usually lower energy bills. The biggest savings often come from fixing problems that make your heating and cooling system work harder than necessary. A clogged filter blocks air, so replace it regularly with the correct size and type recommended for your system. Leaky ducts can lose cooled or heated air inside attics, crawl spaces, or walls, so a technician should seal loose joints and damaged insulation. If the system is low on refrigerant, it may run constantly without cooling well, and the leak must be found and repaired before adding more refrigerant. Cleaning a dirty outdoor coil helps release heat, while cleaning the indoor coil helps air move across it properly. A faulty thermostat can turn the system on too often or shut it off too soon, so checking its wiring, calibration, and placement can prevent wasted energy. Repairing a failing blower motor or worn belt can restore strong airflow and reduce long run times. One lesser-known issue is an incorrectly sized system, because an oversized air conditioner may shut off too quickly and fail to remove humidity, making the home feel uncomfortable even when the temperature looks right. Ask for a measurement-based inspection instead of approving parts based only on a quick guess. Do not assume that adding refrigerant is a complete repair, because refrigerant does not normally disappear. Have the leak located first. Do not ignore weak airflow, uneven temperatures, or unusual sounds, since these early warnings can point to blocked ducts, a failing blower, or a dirty coil. Schedule service before the problem grows. Also, do not choose the cheapest replacement part without checking compatibility, because the wrong capacitor, motor, filter, or thermostat can reduce efficiency or damage the system. Use the manufacturer's specifications and have a qualified technician verify the repair. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.